So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Startup Apps. Now this will show us all the applications that start up automatically when our computer turns on. So for example, when my computer turns on, Microsoft Edge also turns on automatically. And I know that because under status it says enabled. I don't want this to happen, so I'm going to click on it and then click on disable. And now the status will be changed to disabled. So you want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start automatically when your computer turns on. For the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on power options. And now you want to select choose what the power button does. And now once this comes up, you want to select change settings that are currently unavailable. And now once you're on this, it's going to be saying turn on fast startup recommended. You want to tick that box and then click on save changes. Make sure that you have fast startup ticked, so you want to have it turned on. For the next step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once you complete that scan, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And this will now fix your problem.